Okay folks, I've got the ceiling completed. Very happy with the way it came out. It's funny, I use a nail gun. You gotta have a nail gun when you do this job. And I use a nail gun and actually I can't even see the nail holes when I look up there. I was gonna putty every nail hole. I think I'm just gonna leave them. Of course, we'll see how it looks in the sunlight. It's been a rainy, muddy day. You can see the mess in this van from all this rain. I've got to keep working. I'm on a deadline here, so I've got to work. I'll just wash all that down before we put the carpet in. Anyway, that's what we got, and I think this is going to be quite a nice little cabin when it's done. See you next time.